Dear students, today we are going to see about the topic bubble shot. So there are so many shorting techniques we are having. One is a selection shot, insertion shot, bubble shot, and med shot, etc. So the important topic is a bubble shot. We are going to see. So what is bubble shorting? So we will short the number either in increasing or in decreasing order, and we have to input to this algorithm will be like this. So that is enter how many numbers that you want to sort, that is in increasing order or in decreasing orders. So we are given the input is in increasing order, enter the number to be sorted. So what are the number to be sorted? Going to be sorted as 1 3 5 2 4 and 6. Okay, so the output of the algorithm will be like this. The result after sorting your number is in increasing order 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, first, the array of data to be sorted is 1 3 5 2 4 6. So we consider this as the array of data. Okay, and then the process of bubble sorting. So how we will be sort the number means, first you compare the first and second number. So 1 is less than 3. So if it is greater mean we will swap the number. If it is lesser means no swapping technique is followed. The 1 is less than 3, there is no swapping here. And then we will compare 3 and 5. 3 is less than 5. So, so then no swapping technique is followed. And then we compare 2 and 5. 5 is greater than 2. Then swapping of the number is followed here. Next, we compare 4 and 5. Here 5 is greater than 4, and then we follow the swapping technique. Next, lastly compared 5 and 6. So 5 is less than 6, there is no swapping in this technique. This is the first pass of sorting. In second pass, we will compare 1 and 3. So 1 is less than 3, there is no swapping. And then we compare 2 1 3, that is 3 is greater than 2, the swapping is followed here. And then we compare 4 3 and 4. 3 is less than 4, there is no swapping. And then we compare third pass 1 and 2. So 1 is less than 2, there is no swapping. So already we visited all the array of vertices, and then we swapped all the data, and then we arranged the data in the increasing order. Okay, finally we will get the result after the bubble sorting, that is in the data in increasing order is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so this is the bubble sort algorithm. We created the bubble sort function array of n. So the n is the number of elements to be sorted. So we are having the for loop. So in for loop, if I is equal to 1, then j equal to I plus 1 equal to 2. So that is j equal to 2. Okay. So what is the value of I? It will be incremented by 1, and then it will get 2. Okay. Then flag will be set to initially 0. In for condition, I plus 1 and j less than or equal to n and j plus plus. If the condition goes on, if first number, that is if array of 5 is greater than array of j, if first number is greater than the second number, we will swap the array of I and j. Okay, that is the value of which is in I will be assigned to j, and then value which is in j will be assigned to I. We will swapping the numbers and then set the flag is equal to 1, and then the loop repeated up to the passes. So it will stop after visiting all the nodes. So this is about the bubble sorting and then algorithm. Thank you.